With the dynamic world of tech, staying charged on the go isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. The Cuktech 20 and Cuktech 15 Powerbank, an advanced device with innovative features of high efficiency, quick charging, and stylish design is introduced. Let's explore the factors that give this power bank a competitive edge in a highly competitive market. The Trusted Buddies team is pleased to welcome you to the place where you can see tech information and concept renderings. Before moving on, please subscribe and click the bell icon to receive regular updates. When you decide to go with the Cuktech 20 power bank, you are not only getting a device, you are getting a total charge solution. The package contains the power bank, 2C1A ports, 6A, 240 watt C-to-C charging cable, the instruction manual, and its 18 months worry-free service, plus its dedicated customer service team, which is always ready to help you. Power of Cuktech 20 power bank is not just standard, it sets the standard, delivering 140 watt of power. It is full compatible with the latest PD 3.1 charging protocol. Goodbye to slow charging, as this power bank is designed for devices with high power consumption, such as the 65.6mm MacBook Pro compared to ordinary chargers. It is in a league which has a self-grade battery. The Cuktech 20 is well known for its durability, with over 1,000 cycles of charging with a powerful 25,000 mAh power source, which is 3 times longer compared to the lifespan of regular power banks. It can charge your MacBook Pro 1.2 times or your iPhone 14 4 times. Feel empowered with the user-friendly TFT display. Real-time status on battery level, power, voltage, and current are at your fingertips. The visual display is both user-friendly and highly informative. You will always be in the know of your power bank's condition. Cuktech 20 power bank was designed with the modern look in mind and is about the size of a can of Coke. The timeless gray matte color, combined with the futuristic blue light strip, highlights the blend of fashion and cutting-edge technology. Cuktech 20 offers an 110 watt input, which means that it will fill back up in no time. In 19 minutes, you will get a 40% charge and about 2 hours for a full one. Hit the road knowing your power bank has your back. A single-port fast-charging cable can charge a 120-watt laptop and a Xiaomi phone of 130 watts. 2-port fast charging makes it possible to combine your ports. The 3-port fast charging allows one to charge multiple devices at the same time. Cuktech 20 power bank is a great choice for travel, and it will keep you powered up anywhere. With this high-efficiency, quick-charging powerhouse, you'll stay connected and charged. Let's now discuss Cuktech 15 power bank, a strong and high-capacity product that was created to take care of the various charging needs of your devices. Now, let's see why it stands out in the portable power industry. The package includes Cuktech 15 power bank, a 6-ampere 240-watt fast-charging data cable 3.3 feet long, compatible with PD 3.1 protocol, and comes with a user manual. Rest assured, you have all you need for a simple and easy charging experience. Right at the core of Cuktech 15 power bank is a powerful battery, 20,000 mAh, high capacity. This untapped energy resource is powerful enough to give your iPhone 14 a full charge 3.3 times, or bring your MacBook Air back to life. Developed for outdoor use, this power bank is your go-to buddy, giving you a peace of mind your devices would never run out of power wherever you go. A versatile charging solution with 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, the Cuktech 15 power bank can efficiently charge laptops, phones, tablets, and other USB devices. Bye-bye power struggles. This power bank takes care of different power needs and makes it your trusted charging partner that you would love to carry with you wherever you go. The Cuktech 15 power bank is right for you if you are running out of time. Supporting multiple fast charging protocols including PPS, PD 3.0 and QC 3.0. It meets the fast-charging demand of different gadgets with a maximum 100-watt fast-charging capability for laptops. This Cuktech 15 power bank provides 55% charge to the MacBook Air in less than 30 minutes using auto-grade 21,700 power cells and a large metal heat plate to dissipate heat effectively. Real-time temperature monitoring ensures durability and longevity of the power bank. Faster charging times are a result of the charging and discharging capabilities. The Cuktech 15 power bank combines style with functionality. The silver frosted body has an anti-slip texture. You can pick from a number of charging styles. 1-port fast charge. Type-C 100 watt for laptops and 120 watt for Xiaomi phones. USB Type-C 2. 33 watt for laptops. USB Type-A 33 watt. Fast charge port. You can mix and match ports to make charging your phone your own way. Quick charging with 3 ports. You can use all of the ports at once to charge multiple devices at the same time. The Cuktech 15 power bank is small enough to fit in your carry-on luggage for flights, so you can stay charged no matter where your trip takes you. Carrying the Cuktech 15 power bank is like carrying a portable energy center. This innovative system lets you charge, connect, and enjoy reliable power. This was all about video. Click like, follow the channel, and leave reviews below. This is Trusted Buddies. See you next time. Peace out until then.